Kulia I Ka Nu'u, what it means is don't just give half-assed work, strive for the highest. What Ho'omau means to me is times get tough, just keep going, persevere. You try, even when you're failing. One goal I am currently working on right now is picking up good and useful coping skills to help me stay sober when it gets hard. One of the reasons I'm in program is because I can't stay sober. I have learned skills. One of the ones I like the most is eliminate all triggers. If I usually see a lighter, I'd usually throw it away, try to stay away and like eliminate that trigger. My boys might be an obstacle that could actually get in my way. Right now I have learned skills to help me, but I'm just more on the like if I'm gonna use it or not. Ways I could actually prepare myself is actually learn something from this program. Get into the real world, know my triggers, know my weaknesses, just actually use the useful coping skills that I learned instead of let it all go to waste. Right now, there's days where I just wake up wanting to run, get out of this program, but it's just the thought of doing good that actually helps me persevere. One thing I'm taking away from this life is the culture. Not many times you'll get into a program and like jump in the taro patch. Like when I first jumped in, it felt like shit. Now I'm used to it. It builds character. It's culture that I'm willing to take away from this program, and I'm glad to take away from this program.